you ever wondered how to add groups of fields to a widget all at once? In this video, I will guide you through creating a field group in the dashboard.
Okay, first let's clarify that there are different group types: generic groups, measure groups, and drill groups. Generic groups help you organize your data, while measure groups and drill groups allow you to add multiple fields to a widget simultaneously. Once you open your data mapper, you need to click at the very bottom on add a field group. I already create the group, and in this case I just add fields to it. You can either drag and drop a field from outside the measure group and add it in, or you can also add a new field to the group, as you can see here. So once you have done this, the next step is just, in this case, you need to click in Save. Let me just, okay, I already saved it, so I'm gonna go back. Okay, and now we are going to create a widget. In this case, we're going to select record table, and we are a table itself, and we are going to select here count, and then in a row we look for queue support, which is actually the name of the group. So you click on that one, you will be able to see that all of those options that were into the group are showing here as an individual field in a way.